Benelli has had a great few years in India and the 600i has been one of its top selling models. It looks aggressive and the inline 4 sounds great. Akash, who joins us today, picked up his 600i in August 2015 and used it mostly for touring. Hi Akash, it's great to have you here. So the Benelli 600i, it's one bike you just cannot ignore. It looks aggressive, it sounds great and it's priced right. So back in 2015 when you were looking out to pick up a bike, and how did you zero in on the 600i and what are the options were you looking at?
Hi, it is good to be here. Back in 2015, I was looking bike around 5 to 7 lakh. There was the 650 Ninja, ER section, Triple and Z800.
Okay.
I did not like Ninja ER section, and then Z800 and Street Triple were out of my budget.
Okay.
When I saw this bike, headlamp, big tank, then inline for music, I fell in love with this bike.
Okay.
I took the test ride. Then I decided to buy this one.
You decided this is the
one. I clocked around 11,500 km. I'm still in love with this bike.
Now the 600i has an engine that has a lot of history to it. How has your experience been with it in real life conditions?
It is actually old Yamaha R6 engine.
Okay.
This could drive up to 15,000 RPM. Now it has been restricted to 12,000 RPM.
Okay.
And the engine is super reliable. I have done around 700 kilometers in a single day.
Okay.
I did not face any issue.
Okay.
Engine was on up to 8 to 10 hours.
Okay.
I did not face any issue in that also. Rainy season, summer season, winter season also.
Okay.
Then gears are very smooth.
Okay.
In highway, when it comes to highway, cruising speed is up to 120 to 150 kmph.
Okay.
I have done top speed around 230 kmph.
230 on the naked. Okay.
Yeah. There will be wind blast actually.
Okay. And what about the mileage in city and then highway?
I am getting around 18 kmph in city.
Okay.
Then around 25 kmph in highway.
Yeah. Okay, Akash. Now let's talk about handling. Even though being a naked, the 600i is quite heavy at about 231 kilograms. So how has it been to ride around in all these various conditions?
Yeah, it is quite heavy. When you are pushing the bike or riding slowly,
Okay.
you feel the weight. When your speed build up, you won't feel the weight at all.
Okay.
When it comes to handling in corner, you have very good confidence to hit the corners.
Okay.
The stock Pirelli tires are really good.
Okay.
Then when it comes to riding position is comfortable, not too sporty.
Okay.
The only thing I don't like about the bike is braking.
Okay.
This could have been much better for this power and weight.
Alright, now let's talk about service and maintenance. So are you happy with the service provided by the company, and how are the maintenance costs involved?
Yeah, service frequency is very less.
Okay.
It is about 4,000 km, while other bikes have 10,000 km once.
Okay.
But service quality is very good.
Okay.
But spares cost very high.
Okay.
But good thing about the bike is you have 2 years warranty. You can replace the spares for free cost.
Okay. So Akash, now that you owned it for 2 years, do you recommend any changes or modifications to make the ownership experience any better?
Yeah, my bike is pretty much stock. I have put windshield to avoid the wind blast.
Okay.
And then I have replaced headlamps, Western white breakers.
Okay.
It is better now.
Okay.
And then I have some basic cross protections.
Okay.
And I recommend the major change in this bike is fuel overflow mechanism.
Okay.
It flows through engine blocks. It is actually danger when it is
can
heated
catch
up.
fire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then fuel gauge is not accurate.
Okay.
10% error will be fine.
Okay.
It is too much error will be found.
Because you have no idea what.
Yeah.
So Akash, it was great to have you here and know more about 600i.
Yeah, it was great to be here. Hope this feedback will be helpful.
So guys, the Benelli 600i is a beautiful looking motorcycle and it's priced right. It is a bit expensive to maintain, but it is backed up by a good service package. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, do ask them below. And please do hit that subscribe button.